Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Lowu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer and one of the voices of TVC around the world. Guys, this is the latest blog post on the TVC blog. And yes, admin was saying many of us need to get our referrals acquainted and know the benefits of this car play and earn that has been introduced to the community since last year December. Guys, being registering for the car has a lot of benefits. And let me quickly go through the blog which says the last chance to get 100% commission for a lifetime in car. Guys, registering, just ensure your referral go to log into their clinical back office and register. This will avail them to have 100% commission for lifetime, even if they have not made any payment now. Car is a high value offer in the marketplace. It is new. The only thing missing now is make it consistent place to earn money. It's a lot more consistent player. Here in TBC, we are fully loaded with offers right now. I'm busy learning new things like how to use Pancake Swap. I just want to remind all of you that the 100% commission offer to TVCians is coming up. Is coming up to the deadline to get it. The last day of January 2022. The 100% commission offer for all for a lifetime goes away. And starting on February 1st, 2022, the new people will have a 50% commission lifetime offer. Guys, do you see that? For you to have 100% lifetime commission offer, ensure you and all your referrals log into your clinical back office and activate it and register. All you have to do to get this offer is register for it using your link within the play and earn area under marketing in the menu inside your Pure Cash back office for free. This is a billionaire program benefit. Spread the word quickly now because that deadline is fast approaching. Guys, you can see the demo of the game. We have been introduced to this over time through the admin and also through our able admin ambassador Imbe. Guys, it says so, and the procedure on how to play the game and earn is also shown and stated there in the blog. Guys, the procedure is there. This is just a quick one for us all to know that you need to go and register fast. Go, it is free. Just go there, register with your email address, fill everything, and ensure you register fast. Do this fast to be able to earn 100% commission on all your referrals, either they are TVCians or not. Once they use your link to register on car, you are entitled to 100% commission for life. So guys, the truth of the matter is very soon the influx on this game will be much, and that is more money for you guys. So please don't forget, go. If you have not registered it, it costs you nothing. Just go to your marketing area, play and earn, and activate it. That is all you need to do. So guys, do that and ensure all your referrals do same. Thank you. Until I come your way next time. Bye for now.